What if everything you knew about your weight was wrong? Not just the number but your body fat, muscle mass, even your metabolic health. Most scales from the last decade are glorified calculators. They give you a single, often misleading data point. But the new generation of smart scales, they're like having a personal health analyst in your bathroom. After testing and analyzing over a dozen models for features, accuracy, and app integration, I've found the 5 that are truly worth your money. In this video we're exposing the myths, revealing the frontrunner that shocked us with its precision, and showing you which one is the perfect fit for your fitness journey. Stay tuned, because number 3 completely redefined what I thought a budget scale could do. Starting at number 1. Bodycomp Smart Scale. Early Withings scales weren't great, dragged down perhaps by complications related to the company changing ownership a few too many times in the past decade. Now back in the hands of its co-founder, Withings is doing things right again, starting with the Bodycomp, a much more advanced version of its earlier body cardio scale, which suffered from a few flaws. In contrast, the experience here is quick and painless. Step on the new Wi-Fi-enabled Bodycomp and it very quickly runs through a series of measurements, starting with your weight and moving onto a variety of biomarkers that include heart rate, various fat and muscle measurements, vascular age, and electrodermal activity, which measures skin response via sweat gland stimulation in your feet. Strangely, the scale's heart rate measurement is regularly skewed about 10 beats per minute too fast. It's capped off with the day's weather report and even a forecast for air quality in your area. After the crawl of personal data, I've come to rely on seeing the weather on the Bodycomp's bright color display first thing each morning. The company has resolved long-standing issues around the user having to stand in the perfect spot to get readings, and its app has matured impressively over the past few years. That's good, because this scale isn't cheap. It's the most expensive I've tested to date. But as an unintentional Weight Watcher, I think it's worth it. The Withings app tracks data for up to 8 users seemingly forever. I now have readings on Withings devices going back to 2010 and hope to keep the streak going well into the future. Number 2. Smart Scale P3. Do-it-all smart home company Eufy has no fewer than 3 smart scales on the market, and all of them are worthwhile. The P3 is its most deluxe and expensive model, but at $100, it's much more affordable than the Withings Bodycomp, while having nearly the same level of functionality. Powered by 4 AAA batteries, the scale supports 16 measurements, some more useful than others, and can work with up to 16 users. The Eufy Life mobile app is solid, including easy at-a-glance views, long-term charts, and drill-down capabilities. There's a bevy of bonus modes, including options for weighing pets and babies and the ability to export your health snapshot for sharing with a healthcare provider. Best of all, however, is the customizable display, a large, full-color screen that can display 3 stats of your choice alongside a week's worth of trend data, displayed graphically. And because it supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, you don't need your phone nearby when you weigh in. For most people, it has everything you need and more. Number 3. Smart Scale C1. Eufy's $30 Smart Scale C1 doesn't exactly come stuffed with features, though its inclusion of a whopping 12 insightful measurements of your body's health and support for up to 16 users is impressive. The scale connects to your phone via Bluetooth and is quick to set up. To get measured, you step on the 4 metal electrodes. They give the scale a somewhat industrial but not quite homely appearance, and it works fast, taking its measurements significantly faster than most competitors. The scale offers only a weight readout on the display. You'll need the Eufy Life app, Android, iOS, to get the rest of your data. Those insightful measurements can be a bit arcane. What is lean body mass versus muscle mass? And sometimes suspect. Could I weigh 172 pounds, have 133 pounds of muscle, and have high visceral fat? For the most part, the readings are on target, though I had a little trouble getting measurements to sync some of the time. It's a simple and versatile scale, but the incredible price ultimately seals the deal. Number 4. Scale X. Wyze has built its entire business by offering smart home technology at a fraction of the price of other brands, and its products always manage to be capable and well-made. Its latest scale is the Wyze Scale X, an update of its old, no-frills Wyze scale. The Bluetooth-only device displays your weight on its LED screen, you'll need to turn to the Wise app to get additional metrics, 13 in total, including muscle mass, visceral fat, and BMR measurements. You can share the scale with up to 8 users, and there are even modes for babies, pets, and luggage, so you don't screw up your stats before you go on a trip. Save the scary weigh-ins for when you get back. As with most Wise products, it's an amazing value, though Eufy's well-aged C1 is currently the rock-bottom low-price leader. Number 5. Smart Body Fat Scale, FG 2015. In recent months, a new style of smart scale has hit the market in earnest. So-called full-body scanners or body composition scales are designed with a retractable handle that adds 2 or 4 extra hand-situated electrodes to the 4 positioned under your feet. Ostensibly, this gives you a more in-depth look at body metrics than you can get from foot-based scanning alone, which can't really see above the waist. In practice, these scales provide the same type of information as simpler scales. Runstar's FG 2015 tracks 20 metrics and supports 24 users, but they also break down data by body part. Want a fat analysis for your left arm or the muscle content in your right leg? Runstar's app, StarFit, will give you the breakdown. How useful is that information? If you're training to be a pro arm wrestler, or better yet, if you're trying to shed some weight from your gut, maybe you need that kind of detail. For the average slob tech journalist who's just trying to make sure he can keep fitting into his pants, perhaps overkill. Even if you don't need all the extra limb-based information, there's something to be said for the design, which affixes the data screen to the handles, so you can see it from a few feet away instead of squinting at the ground, where, for me, it is very hard to see. The unit is also rechargeable via a standard USB-C cable, which frees you from the tyranny of batteries. A full charge lasts about 3 months. The only real downside is that the unit is Bluetooth only. And there you have it, the 5 smart scales that are actually worth the investment in 2025. Whether you're a data-driven athlete or just starting your health journey, one of these will be your perfect partner. Ready to upgrade your health tracking? All the direct links to purchase these exact models are waiting for you in the video description below. I've done the research, now you can get the right tool. If this guide helped you cut through the noise and find the perfect scale, please show your support by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend, and subscribe to the channel for more no-nonsense tech reviews. We're here to help you make smarter choices. Thanks for watching, and hey, race to your health.